class 10, your board exam will be in the next year, so definitely you have to study hard. And in physics I know that the topics are not, I will not say difficult, but if you try to understand, you will get more interest and you will get more marks also. So my chapter light is going on. I have sent you previously 3 videos on the chapter light. This is my 4th video, chapter 2 light. But today I will go through some numericals based on mirror formula and diffraction of light. Because in board exam you are supposed to get numericals also. I have written one question here. The question is, an object of height 1.2 meter is placed before a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter so that a real image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeter from it. What you have to find? You have to find the position of the object and what will be the height of the image formed. I am repeating the question again, okay? An object of height 1.2 meter is placed before a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter so that a real image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeter from it. Find the position of the object. What will be the height of the image formed? So first of all I have to write down what is given to me. First is height of object is given. Height of object is 1.2 meter. This one is given to me. O for object. What else is given to me? F. Focal length is given. I will take the negative sign of focal length. Why? Because it is concave mirror. So in case of concave mirror, the focal length is taken as negative. Because the focus is in front of the mirror. Next, what is given to me? Distance of the image. Now, real image means image is forming in front of the mirror. When in front of the mirror, I have to take the negative sign. So, my V, that is distance of image, is minus 60 centimeter. Now, I know the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is my mirror formula. F is given to me, V is given to me. I have to find out what is U. So 1 by U equal to 1 by F minus 1 by V. If I change the side, now I have to put the values. So I am getting 1 by U equal to, what is F? 1 by minus 20 minus 1 by minus 60. So I am going here for calculation. So it is coming 1 by U equal to minus 1 by 20. This one is minus minus plus. So it is becoming plus 1 by 60. So what is my value? 1 by U equal to LCM I am taking as 60. So here what will come? 23 is 60. So minus 3 plus 1. So my value is coming 1 by U equal to minus 2 by 60. Minus 2 by 60 means minus 1 by 30. So actually U is what? U equal to minus 30 centimeter. This is my answer. Now you have to write down the answer in sentence. That is, the image will be formed at 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. Minus sign shows that it is forming in front of the mirror. So, sorry, not image, object. U is object. So my object is placed at 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. So one portion I have solved. Now next portion, what I have to find out? Height of object is given to me. I have to find out the height of the image. So I have to use here the formula of magnification. What is the formula of magnification? M equal to height of image by height of object, that is equal to minus V by U. So this formula I am going to use here. So I am writing it here, that is M equal to height of image by height of object, that is equal to minus V by U. Now this one is known to me, this one is known to me, and this one is known to me. The units are different. Here it is in meter and these two are in centimeter. So I can convert these also in meter. To convert in centimeter into meter, what I have to do? I have to divide by 100, both the 100 will cancel. So I can write that HI by 1.2 equal to minus, what was my V? V was 60. So minus 60 by 100, and this one is minus 30 by 100. I have converted the unit centimeter into meter. These hundreds are of no use. I can cancel this. So what I am going to get? Again this negative sign is going to be cancelled. So HI by 1.2 equal to actually my 60 minus 60 by 30. Minus sign is there. By cross multiplying, what I am going to get? That is HI into 30 equal to minus 60 into 1.2. So what will be my HI? HI will be minus 60 into 1.2 divided by 30. So what I am getting? 3 2s are 6. So my answer is minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, minus 2.4 meter. This is the size of the image. Size of object is given to me. My answer is size of image is minus 2.4. So from here I can say that it is enlarged image. Size is more. Previously it was 1.2 object. Image is minus 2.4, that means it is enlarged. Why the sign is negative here? Because the image is inverted, not erect. If it is inverted, then negative sign will come. So I hope I have solved the question. Similarly, you have to solve this kind of question using the same formula. One formula is mirror formula, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and second formula is magnification, m equal to hi by ho, I for image, o for object, that is equal to minus v by u. Use this formula to solve the numericals. Okay, now the next question. First numerical is solved. Today, now second numerical. This is the numerical which is based on refraction of light. So, I am reading the question. Light enters from air into diamond, which has refractive index 2.42. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in diamond. This is my question. Again I am repeating the question so you can write it properly. Light enters from air into diamond which has refractive index 2.42. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in diamond. This is my question. Okay. Now I know the formula that I have already written. That is, we know the formula refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Nu 2 1. That means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. It is equal to speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. So light is entering from air into diamond. Medium 1 is air and medium 2 is diamond. So the formula can be written as nu 21 equal to C by V. C is the speed of light and V is the speed of light in diamond. So this is very easy sum, only you have to remember the formula, nothing else. Refractive index of diamond is given to you, that is 2.42. Speed of light in air is also given to you, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and this one I have to find out, that is velocity of light in diamond. So what I am going to get, V equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 2.42. This is my, using formula I am going to get this. If you solve it, then you will get the answer as 1.24 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. I have already solved previously and then I am writing. So I am getting the answer, that is speed of light in diamond is 1.24 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in this way you can calculate using this formula either refractive index or speed of light in any medium. You can also calculate using this formula angle of refraction and angle of incident also, because this formula can be written as sin I by sin R. That already you know, and I have already sent that video to you earlier. So I hope these two numericals are clear to you. You are going to get this kind of questions in your board exam. The numbers will be different, but the process is same. So actually you have to learn the concept, you have to know the formula. Any sum given to you, it will be very easy for you to solve. Physics is something which need interest, and the more concept will be clear, you will get more interest. I hope I am able to clear your concept through these videos. Till if you find that the numericals you have to go through several times, pause the video, go through the numericals and then try to do numericals by your own, which are given at the end of the exercise in your book. So thank you student. Till then, bye.